Hey, boo. All right, what's for dinner today?
Shrimp, chicken, and lobster. Alfredo style.
Pasta has been complete. Nice pasta. Everybody knows how to make pasta.
Getting the lobster off the shells. Rinsing the lobster, the shrimp, and the chicken with some lemon juice. And now what I would do is I'll let this chicken thaw out some more because it still got eyes in there. So I could drop it in the pan, fry it, slice it, and then the shrimp, I might make it like a little darkened. And then, all this is gonna be cooked separate and then put to the side and then dropped into the spaghetti pot afterwards. So for the time being now, we're just gonna let this sit for a little bit and then I'm gonna come back to it later on and revisit. This is the lobster, shrimp, chicken breast.
Good job.
Adobe, little seasoning, like your mama. Definitely gotta have the lemon pepper. Got a little light raw stick chicken. So once I start cooking it, I'm gonna bring it out and slice it so the inside can cook. Right now I'm just doing the basic stuff. Garlic, slap your mama. Right, adobe. That's how you gotta go, man. This is accent. Accent is good for just meat only. I ain't use it for the seafood. I'm gonna drop my pepper on this side. This little thyme. Any seafood you make without Old Bay, it's not a seafood. You gotta have that Old Bay. Gotta have that Old Bay in there, big. Old Bay has to touch everything.
Large steak knives that open up the door as well. So I'm not sure if you.
The chicken is fried, so we gotta take it out. So pepper in here. Garlic. Seasoned salt. Let it boil a little bit. Yeah, because you. See? Like, this is perfect. I don't want it too saucy. You know what I mean? Like, you know what I'm saying? This is perfect like this. Some people like it saucy. No, but I don't like it too saucy. It's lobster time. I'm not gonna slice it. I'm just gonna leave it right in there. One for you, one for me.
All right, y'all, let's try it. I got a little bit, just to try it. My real plate gonna be later. Wow. Wow. Mm-hmm. 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 Oh, Boo Thing gonna love the noodles by itself. She's gonna love it. Mm-hmm. 10 out of 10. Good job, Dad.